Top 10 famous palaces in India.
Subscribe.
First palace is Udaivilas Palace, Udaipur. Located in Udaipur, the city of palaces in India, and nestled in idyllic splendor with the blue waters of Lake Pichola on one side and against the backdrop of the Aravalli Hills. The Udaivilas Palace is the embodiment of the old world charm of princely India. Second palace is Rambagh Palace Hotel, Jaipur. Rambagh Palace is a living legend in Jaipur and was home to the royal family for over 30 years. Built in 1835, it was first converted into a upscale palace hotel in India in 1957. Its elegantly appointed rooms, marble corridors, and majestic gardens echo with history. Third palace is Raj Palace, Jaipur. The charming Raj Palace Hotel was built in 1727 and is Jaipur's oldest mansion, a perfect example of old charm with royal architecture, gardens, and beautiful courtyard. Its breathtaking Darbar Mahal suite was used by the Maharaja himself. The Swapna Mahal restaurant here has been richly decorated with real gold leaf work, a majestic rare crystal chandelier, and a crockery museum housing centuries old collections. Fourth palace is Devigad, Udaipur. Nestled in the Aravalli Hills, the Devigad Palace was royal residence for rulers of Delwara until the 20th century. Today, the Palace Hotel boasts of opulent suites decorated with semi-precious stones, local marbles, and a black marble swimming pool. Despite the new facilities, the palace has managed to hold on to the old world charm, making the stay there a fascinating experience. Fifth palace is Lakshmi Niwas Palace, Bikaner. Built in 1904, Lakshmi Niwas Palace in Bikaner catered exclusively to prizelings, select statesmen, and architects of history. It is considered to be one of the most royal palaces in India. Gaze at hand painted friezes and gold laden walls. Examine up close the inspiration behind Lutyens and Baker's architectural style. Sixth palace is Wildflower Hall, Shimla. Once home to the Lord Kitchener during the rule of the British Raj, Wildflower Hall recreates the grand style of the colonial era in the Himalayas. Filled with original artwork and wood paneling, the hotel creates an aura of old world charm and provides a panoramic view of snow covered peaks. Seventh palace is Jai Mahal Palace, Jaipur. Amongst the many famous palaces in India, set amidst 18 acres of beautifully landscaped Mughal gardens, this incomparable palace dates back to 1745 AD, a masterpiece in the Indo-Saracenic style of architecture. It blends spotlight, grabbing opulence with tantalizing comforts that transport guests to a world of Rajasthan magnificence. Eighth palace is Umaid Bhawan Palace, Jodhpur. This grand and imposing yellow sandstone palace was completed in 1944 after 15 years in the making and was one of the last great palaces to be built in India. Its majestic 105-foot high cupola is influenced by the Renaissance, while the towers draw inspiration from Rajput tradition. Ninth palace is Ferny Hills Royal Palace, Ooty. Ferny Hills Royal Palace was built in 1844 as a summer palace of the Mysore Maharajas, bought by a 12-year-old prince for a sum of 10,000 in 1873. The palace has been with the Wadiyar dynasty ever since. 10th palace is Taj Lake Palace, Udaipur. The list of the palaces of India is incomplete without the mention of the Taj Lake Palace in Udaipur, built between 1743 to 1746 as a royal summer palace. This ultra-luxury white marble hotel has been voted as the most romantic hotel in India and in the world.
We met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while.